Thank you, CVS, for sponsoring this video.
What's poppin', folks? So since I've been sick for the past 2 months, I haven't really had time to do anything. So my life has just been in shambles for the past 2 months because I've just been sick, haven't been able to do anything, had fatigue. I was in bed all day. It was crazy. So today I'm going to attempt to get my life together, just get everything together. Apartment is a mess. My emails have not all been answered. There's just a lot of things going on and I have to take care of them today. I feel this is like the first day that I'm feeling somewhat normal. So, you know, I went to the gym, did some of the treadmill. I'm trying to like ease back into it. But yeah, let's get our lives together, sweethearts. This video is sponsored by CVS. They have a membership called CVS Care Pass. And so CVS Care Pass is basically a monthly subscription. It's $5 a month, or you can pay $48 for the year. So you get basically like 2 months free. So some of the membership benefits are free 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible products. So I got some medication delivered. I got these zinc vitamins delivered. I started my period while I had COVID and I was running low on pads. So I had some pads delivered and tampons delivered. One of my favorite benefits of this membership actually is the free same-day prescription delivery, which was super helpful. So I was very well taken care of just because of this membership. It's literally $5 a month. It was very helpful. And then you also get access to a 24/7 pharmacy hotline, which is also very helpful because sometimes I'm like, oh, am I allowed to take this medication with my antidepressant? So you just have a pharmacist in your pocket at all times. So yeah, you can use the link in the description box to get 1 free month of CVS Care Pass, and after that it'll be $5 a month or $48 annually. You get 2 months free if you do it annually. And yeah, this was super helpful when I was sick, and it's also just super helpful as busy as I am. I hate leaving the house just to go pick up a prescription, so the prescription delivery was very helpful. So I will leave all the information about the CVS Care Pass in the description box down below.
So I got this mount thing. You can put it on any flat surface, and then the other side goes on your phone. So I'm gonna put this in my shower to get some shots that I need for a lot of my TikToks when I do like video, like TikToks and stuff like that. What I've done before is I literally put my whole tripod in the shower. And this just makes more sense. You know, you just put it there and then, you know, it's done. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know.
I brought these from my last apartment because we had an island, like a actual sitting area. We don't have that in this apartment. This is an island, but you can't really sit here because there's nowhere to put your feet, so they've just been here. So we're gonna try to sell them. It's from West Elm. They're very nice. They just don't fit in this space anymore. Also, we don't really sit here. We always sit at the dining table, so these gotta go eventually. It's time to start planning the week. Whenever I don't plan, nothing happens, nothing gets done. And I found that when I create a daily schedule, an hour by hour schedule, when I time block, I just get so much stuff done because I've already done all the thinking at the beginning of the week, and then as the days go on in the week, I just follow the schedule that I already created. So scheduling is kind of important for me to be productive. So we're gonna do that right now.
So we are on our way to the grocery store, the local grocery store, because I need to get some chicken noodle soup because I'm still, my throat's still feeling a little crazy. And then we're gonna get some like fruit, like watermelon, that good stuff.
I'm a little perplexed. I can't find my pillowcases, so I'm using this pink one right now, but I have two white silk pillowcases that I literally can't find. They used to be in this hamper, and I was sick, so I know I didn't move it. So where did it go? How could it have disappeared? See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, my life is all over the place, and I have to get it together. I'm sure I'll find it eventually, but I'm very perplexed. This is another area of the house that is always a disaster when I'm sick. Let's clean this up. Okay, I am exhausted, so I'm gonna go to sleep. And then when I wake up tomorrow, we'll finish up some of the stuff that I wasn't able to get to today. Alright, I've got my matcha. I did say I was a matcha girl, and we are going to answer some emails. We're gonna get through our emails real quick, and then next that's on the list of to-dos is to finish tidying up the apartment, take some things to storage, and then I think we should be good for this portion of getting my life together. Honestly, maybe I'll make this a series because I really need to get it together. So you guys know that I've been trying to launch this platform called Skinfluencer, and there are a lot of like legalities and things that I didn't realize were required to launch a platform like this. So I've been working with my team and my attorney to create like a privacy policy, terms of use, an accessibility statement. I just didn't realize that all of this stuff was required like for legality purposes. So I've been working on that with my team. I wanted to launch this much earlier, but there's just like so much stuff that like had to be done before launching it. So yeah, hopefully very soon, but yeah, I've just been working really hard with the team to get this together. Okay, now this is one area of my room that I desperately need to fix up. There's just a bunch of stuff here. There used to be a whole bunch of tissues on this desk because I was sick, but I just have some things lingering around and I would like to have it cleared up so that I can walk freely in this space without bumping into stuff. Okay, things are looking real good in here, folks. Things are looking real nice. Still have not found my pillowcases, but we'll find her. We'll find her. I've decided that I am definitely going to make this into a series just because I have so much stuff going on. So I'm gonna end today's episode here and then I'll start on another vlog for the series. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you CVS for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in checking out CVS Care Pass, I'll leave all of that information in the description box down below. And I'll catch you guys next time.